do I go? 3 lettuces. Where do I go?
Where'd they go now? Okay. So be it,
Oh,
buddies.
he's coming up. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh, don't tell me you're nervous because someone's taking pictures. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's going up. I can see it.
There he goes.
Oh, look, Shammy's eating too.
Mm-hmm.
Budgie boy.
Love it. Bumper's been on the other side, licking away. Oh, yeah. Look at how he does, Nigel. Back forth, with the lettuces. Licking, yeah?
He got ADD.
I think so.
Budgie with
Oh,
ADD.
they fight. Oh, my goodness.
It is the budgie way.
Oh, look at Nigel. He's going to get himself wet all over now with it. He gets showery wet. Oh, yeah. Tail flipping. Oh, yeah. Such good lettuces. Look at him.
He's climbing over it. Crazy budgie.
He's the only one that goes up and down. Yes. Oh, yes. Look at him.
Budgie.
He's upset. What a goofer.
This budgie must have
Hello, Nigel. Yeah.
hyperactive disorder, HD.
Oh, definitely. Look at him. He's just trying to get all the wet on himself.
Budgie boy.
Wants me to
And see
bring
how
you
he licks
such
one
a
lettuce, goes to the other
washing.
lettuce? I love it. He's such a good budgie.
So there are such things. He was afraid, that's all it was.